So let's make an apple cider old-fashioned. Hey, Doc Martinez here, and the holiday season is upon us. I'll be doing some holiday-themed old-fashioned cocktails. Now, today we'll be making a simple, easy-to-make old-fashioned, and this will be part of the Kiss series, Keep It Simple Stupid. All the ingredients for this recipe will be easy to find so that you can also enjoy this old-fashioned at home. Now, with so many flavors that bring out Christmas and holiday memories, it was hard to choose, okay, where do I start? I decided to start with a fall holiday drink. For today's holiday old-fashioned, we'll be making an apple cider old-fashioned. Cocktail quiz time! Cider was consumed in the Roman Empire, ancient Greece, and the Middle East. Where was cider invented? The answer may surprise you. If you're liking these videos, please subscribe and hit that notification. Now, what flavors bring up holiday memories for you? Please post in the comments below your favorite holiday flavors. So let's make an apple cider old-fashioned. Apple cider old-fashioned ingredients: 1 ounce apple cider whiskey, 1 ounce wild turkey 101, 1 bar spoonful of maple syrup, 2 to 4 dashes of orange bitters, apple slice for garnish, and cinnamon stick for garnish. Okay, so let's make an apple cider old-fashioned. So now in a mixing glass full of ice, we're going to add a bar spoonful of the maple syrup. Make sure to use a good maple syrup because it does add a lot of flavor to your drink. And a little of it goes a long ways. We're also going to be adding 2 dashes of orange bitters. 2. Then we'll be adding 1 ounce of the apple cider whiskey. We're using the King's Creek for this one. And now we're going to be adding 1 ounce of wild turkey 101. We're going to stir until chilled. So next we're going to strain it into a glass with a large ice. That smells delicious. Okay, so next we're going to garnish with some apple slices and also a cinnamon stick. A long would probably be better, but here you go. Cocktail quiz time. Cider was consumed by the Roman Empire, ancient Greece, and the Middle East. Where was cider invented? There is evidence that the Celts in Britain made cider from crab apples as long ago as 3000 BC. Now let's taste the apple cider old-fashioned. Oh, the cider really stands out on this on the nose. You can really smell the cider from this. Oh wow, that is very delicious. The cider does come through. You do taste the bourbon a little bit in the end. I like this a lot. It's very sweet, it's very balanced, it's very holiday. I definitely would be drinking some of this. I'm going to take this out to my wife so she can try it. I even think my daughter Deanna, who doesn't like drinks, might like this one. We will be continuing some holiday drinks. I will also link some holiday drinks here that you may want to try. Now, is there any holiday drinks that you enjoy or you'd like to see me make? Let me know in the comments below. Happy holidays and cheers!